What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm gonna put to the test another survival kit in AmmoCan, or also known as Ammo Crate subscription box, but it's not really a subscription box. There's only about 6 of them, different sizes, different prices. So this is my second one. I just put to the test, did unboxing of $100 one, $90 one, this one $160 one. So let's see what they got in this AmmoCan. Okay, let's open it up. Let's find out what's inside. Whoa, this one is for sure more like survival kit. I already can see there's some matches in there and stuff like that. The first one didn't really have matches. It was so small, a bit disappointing, but let's open it up, see what it's all about. Cool, you got yourself bandana, and there is some survival knowledge, or what would you call it? There's a couple knot ideas and stuff like that. Very nice. You know, with my bald head, I always burn my head easily, so I would wear it all the time. I like it. Then another Stanley cup. The first one also had this thing, and they bought 17 to 20 bucks. So you know what? It has exactly the same stuff as the $90 AmmoCan. You see also a funnel, but they have a lot extra stuff, like this camp stove. This is nice because now we can actually cook and boil water. But did it come with the pot? Nope, just with the camp stove. You put one of these tablets, Phil's tablets, in there, and you can boil water pretty much with 2 pieces. Depends of the size of your pot. This is a really cool gadget right here. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, nice. Astronaut vanilla ice cream sandwich. It's 130 calories, so will keep you alive a little longer. Power cord rope. This is 550 test, 7 stain cord. This is nice rope, 50 feet. That's plenty for you to build shelter and stuff. And we have here what appears to be a survival knife. I like it. This is pretty big knife. You can build a lot of bushcraft stuff, and I'm pretty sure right here will be a little fishing kit, maybe even matches. Let's find out. They're all different. Look, there's a compass. This one is hard to take out. There you go. Yep, there's a match, 1 match, 2 matches, string, fishing kit, also tweezers, a little knife, hooks, needle with a string, and also, what do you call it, sinkers. This is pretty cool stuff, and a safety pin. I like it. Okay, what else we got here? Very nice. Is this metal? Whoa, this is some kind of titanium or something, because it's so light. I have a couple of these spoons, sporks I would say, but they are a lot heavier than this one. I do not have such a light spork, so this is definitely useful. Okay, what else we got here? Playing cards, but this is tactical exclusive playing cards, so it's like survival cards. I really like it too. I always wanted to buy it, so maybe I'm even going to put to the test some ideas that they have, maybe like a bushcraft stuff. Let's open it up, see what they look like. This is nice because I do not have it. Oh no, what a disappointment. Why is this tactical cards? I really thought there would be like a little ideas of the bushcraft or DIY stuff. This is just regular cards. You know what, somebody should make, they probably already did make them, oops, regular playing cards with the survival ideas. Maybe how to start a fire, how to make a knot, different type of knots. That'd be such a cool cards in this thing. But oh well, still cool, because survival situation, you still have to have fun, and this will keep your mind off things. Then this is my favorite matches, survival matches, storm-proof matches. They didn't come with the case, they also come with a storm-proof case. This is more like a replacement, but still They are waterproof already anyways, the box definitely not, but this will start you many fires. This is a really good matches. You already know what I'm talking about if you subscribe to my channel. And there's one more multi-tool, 15 function tool. You guys all know there's knives, pliers, whole bunch of stuff. This stuff is very, very useful. I like it. So $150 worth plus the can, and this can is much bigger. The first can I put to the test, as you remember, it is much smaller. So this is more so as a survival kit because they have cooking stove, they have fire starting gadgets, they have knife. So this is pretty much complete survival kit, except I would add on a pot into it. Now that I have a stove, maybe a small like cup, metal cup, so that way I can cook and boil water and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with these tools, very high quality. I like it a lot. You know what, let's eat this astronaut ice cream. I wonder how this one tastes. Nice, it's all intact. I mean, I hope so anyways. Nope, it kind of broke apart a little bit inside there. So this is freeze-dried ice cream. I mean, it's not bad actually. I like this one. It's just very strange texture and taste, but it's pretty sweet. It almost tastes like some kind of cookie. Well guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and guess what, I have one more survival kit in a can, but that one is huge. That one is like this, I don't know, this size, this thick. So I'm really excited what I'm going to get in that AmmoCan Survival Kit. Well guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, helps a lot, and I'll see you next time.